Good morning, everyone. It's snowing here, so let's learn how to write and pronounce the word snow in Russian. S N Е Г снег. С Н we pronounce it снег. So voiced sound G becomes voiceless sound K. You can learn more about voiced and voiceless sound in my previous lessons. Some people pronounce soft S here, so it's S, снег, снег. Some people can say снег with a hard S. And here is also soft, снег. The letter E goes after N, that's why we need to pronounce soft N here. We can say that soft N has an impact on the S, that's why S also becomes kind of soft sound. S, S. The letter E consists of two sounds when we name this letter. E равно Y and E. So the vowel E is a complex. We already learned simple vowels before. E is a simple vowel because when we pronounce it we use just one sound. When E goes after consonant, it becomes E. So if I write Russian transcription, it will be S, N, E, K. Let's write soft S, S, снег, снег.